Hi, my name is Marco and welcome to the Model Gene. Today's video is answering the question, what is a network? IMG, Elite, Next, and Wilhelmina are a few of what we call network agencies. These agencies have offices in multiple cities around the world and use this as part of their financial strategy. When a model gets signed to one of these network agencies, it ensures that the network is making money on every single booking of a model and control over their career globally. For example, if the first agency you sign with is IMG Paris, that will make them your mother agent, and therefore they will try to sign you with IMG in all of their other markets. This is called the right of first refusal, meaning that other offices get priority on signing a new model, and only if they say no can the model be signed with an agency outside of the network. These decisions, however, are made without the consultation of the model because in the contract that the model signs, they give IMG the authority for placement. This can work out really well for a model if things are going smoothly, all of the bookers working internationally on behalf of the model. But if a model doesn't like how things are going in one of the cities, the network is not going to want to place them elsewhere. I don't think they are particularly malicious, but you have to understand these are multi-million-dollar companies with shareholders who are focused on the profit margins of the different offices, not the feelings of a young model. Of course, when a model is famous and successful, agencies are much more willing to compromise out of fear that the model will completely jump ship and leave the network entirely for a competitor. Even if your agency isn't officially in a network, it doesn't mean that they don't have strong ties to other agencies in different markets. For example, Viva's main office is in Paris, and they place most of their models with DNA in New York City. As a mother agent, I have placed many of my models with network agencies, and some of them have done very well, but I never integrate a model completely into a network. For example, I had a model with one of those network agencies in Sydney, and I will never again work with them based on how they behaved, but I can still place models with that network in other markets. If you have any questions about network agencies, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.